Initially, we felt sad about the fate of the baby crow, but later we enjoyed her company a lot. We always wanted the baby crow to go back to nature and join her parents. So, after caring the baby crow for 18 days, we placed her on one of the branches of the mango tree in our backyard. Baby crow was now free to fly around and join her parent crows. She looked around. Then she started climbing up the branches so that the parent crows will be able to spot her. While climbing up the branches, she kept calling her parents. And finally, they spotted her. Parent crows flew over the baby crow to assure her that they had come to help her come back to the family. But house crows, being very intelligent, were scared to approach the baby crow and they kept flying around. So we decided to keep away from the scene. In the meantime, we found the baby crow, managed to fly onto the coconut tree from where the parent crows were watching her. We were happy that they had come closer and the parent crow would care the baby crow and live happily thereafter.